So many candidates claim they will fight corruption, end corruption. Nonsense! Billions are spent to run and to possibly win. That's right. So if they need to spend billions, don't they need to get that back? You know what kind of politicians make me cringe? Those that run on a platform of anti-corruption but do the same shit all the other corrupt politicians do.
Have you ever engaged in any corrupt practices?
Bilang senador na kailanman hindi nabahiran ng korupsyon, nais ko pong pagpatuloy na magsilbi sa ating bayan.
Nung ako ay member ng House of Representatives, yung mga panukalang batas na final ko, lahat anti-corruption measures.
So there is no room for corruption anywhere, and that is something that has fundamental plank in our platform.
All that talk about being anti-corruption is bullshit if we don't change the system for raising campaign funds, right? So many candidates claim they will fight corruption, end corruption. Nonsense! Let's be real. How can you end corruption if the very source of it is the acquisition of campaign funds and you're not going to change that system? How much does a politician spend to win? How much? How much does it cost for a president to run? For a vice president, a senator, a congressman, a governor, even mayors in the big city? Billions. Billions are spent to run and to possibly win. That's right. So if they need to spend billions, don't they need to get that back? Is it just about getting it back? Question: where do politicians get their campaign funds from? Number one, from businessmen or investors, right? The big companies. These big companies donate, or more accurately, invest in politicians to protect their interests. Number two, from contractors and suppliers, right? Where do our congressmen, governors, and mayors get their campaign funds? From contractors and suppliers. And what happens when contractors or suppliers give money? Is it just a thank you? Charity? No! When they give money, what do they expect when their bet wins? Think about it. Number three, where else do they get their campaign funds from? From political parties. These are the alliances, the big groups of politicians that come together. So their allies support them. But wait, where do political parties get their funds from? From the same businessmen, investors, contractors, and suppliers. So it's the same thing. But here is the scariest part. Number four, they also get their campaign funds from foreign interests. Foreigners. Yes, that's right. Americans, Chinese, Malaysians, and others with interests here are investing or greasing the wheels for their agendas. What do you expect? Donation, charity, advocacy? Here is the problem. When the source of funds come from these people, there's a depth of gratitude, an expectation when they give money. And they'll want to recover that. Businessmen, sharp investors, ask any successful ones. When they spend money, how much do they expect to get back? Just the same amount? Double? No! The really sharp ones expect at least 10 times back. So if a politician spends 1 billion on an election campaign, they need to recover 10 times that. How will they recover that? Their salaries are not enough. They don't earn billions. Even the budget for their staff isn't that big. So where will they recover it from? The politicians and their staff need to figure out how to get those money back. That's where corruption comes from, right? What's the solution? It would be so wrong of me if all I do is criticize without offering a solution. I'm not like others who rant on social media criticizing left and right without proposing anything. No, we should have solutions. What's the solution? A people's fund. In Tagalog, ambagan. The people's contribution. What do I mean? This is already being done in other countries. Crowdfunding. We the people. 1 peso, 10 pesos, GCash, Paymaya, whatever. Let's contribute to the candidates we believe in so that their depth of gratitude doesn't come from the wealthy who expect something in return. Their debt will be to us, the people. A people's contribution. Ambagan. Let's pool our money for the politicians, the public servants, their advocacies, their programs we believe in. Guys, why is this important? There's a saying that goes, when you do the same things over and over again, expecting a different result, that's insanity. Ladies and gentlemen, if we don't change this thing we call democracy, to be honest, it's really demo crazy.